March 7th, 2018. We're looking at 4:25 p.m. and skies are bright, clear. We got nothing going on really. Little hummingbird was buzzing around. And let's see what happens when we throw on the welding glasses. I'm zoomed all the way out. Yeah, see, I'm getting that trifecta of bubbles, orbs on the right by that tree right there. And then at the same time, there's like a big blue orb towards the top. And right there to the left, top left at the 10-11 o'clock position, there's a big round orb right there. If I go like this, look down, it's not there. Over, I'm getting 3 lens flares. It's very odd. I usually don't see that kind of stuff. And even with the welding glasses, I'm getting these upper and lower beams. Okay, well, let's take it off. Let it focus a little bit. See, off to the side I'm getting some orbs. You can see them like rainbow round things. They kind of look hexagonal in a way. See, there's my lens flare. It's way out of the picture, so there's like a little blue orb floating around, and in between those where the rays going left to right, there's like 3. So nothing's really going on right now. Skies are pretty clear. Do a sky view. Alright. More updates later. Try to get the sunset with this. Peace out.